Hey G Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, this cool miss right here, and basically what these are some black disposable face masks that's from the brand called Huezoe. So they mention how these are the non-medical face masks, but they are disposable. So this is basically what the packaging looks like when you guys first get it. If you guys turn in the back right here, they show you guys how to actually set it up and how to use it. But bottom right here, you can see they mention how it has 3 layers of protection when you guys put it on. And we got the 100 pack. I believe they have like bigger ones and smaller packs available, so you definitely want to do your own research to see how many you guys want. But I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So there's no like bag or anything sealed up individually or whatever. So it's all together like this. So it's probably like 50 in here and 50 inside right there. But since they're all the same thing, let me just take out one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like and describe how it feels. Alright, so when we take one of them out, you guys can see that this is basically actually looks like. So this is what it looks like in the front, and here's what it looks like in the back. So it's basically both sides is black. And when you guys feel the material on here, it definitely feels pretty thin. But when you guys feel the earpiece right here, it also feels really thin as well. And top right here, we do have the metal strap option, but now I should put it on and see how it feels first. Alright, so once I put it on, it definitely feels pretty nice. It definitely has the opening on the side right here to allow you guys to breathe. But when you guys feel the stretchy option right here, it definitely feels pretty loose. It doesn't feel like super tight, which is a good and bad thing. Good because it will not hurt you over time when you guys wear it often, but bad because you guys won't get that like really tight and secure fit when you guys put it on. But definitely when you guys feel the material on here, it feels really nice and really soft. And like I mentioned, when you guys feel the material on here, it definitely feels pretty thin. But when you guys blow through the mask right here, if you guys blow really hard, you can probably feel like very little like the breeze or the wind coming out from your mouth. The majority of the wind or the breath that is breathed out is actually stays inside, which is pretty nice. But definitely when you guys put the product on, it definitely feels super lightweight. It literally does not feel uncomfortable or anything. It actually feels really nice and really soft. I really like this option right here, even though like I mentioned it's really loose. It doesn't hurt your ear over time. It actually feels really comfortable when you guys put it on, which is pretty nice. But this is basically what the product looks like when you guys first put it on. If you can see, it definitely looks pretty nice, but also feels really nice as well. So whether you want to use this daily to go shopping or whatever, that is up to you guys. But definitely works for many situations when you guys put these on. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product. Not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this face mask right here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially if you guys don't mind the fact of how it actually feels kind of loose on the side. And also feels kind of thin in the front part right here. Then I would definitely have to say that these are pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to use one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.